That is a lot of theory about Azure Resource Manager templates. We need to understand ARM templates practically rather than talking about variables and templates and parameters and schema, etc. So let's start using some of the templates and understand ARM templates JSON template in a better way. Now, what Microsoft has created here is a web page which has most of the templates that an administrator or a developer would need. So you can land up on this page by quickly doing an internet search for this keyword, which is Azure Quick Start Templates. Or if you can somehow write this down, it will take you to the web page directly. So Azure Quick Start Templates is a way in which you can go ahead and create your own infrastructure. Now here, as you see, as on today, there are 799 Quick Start templates. I remember a few months ago, probably 8 or 9 months ago, it was close to 500. That means that Microsoft is constantly adding new resource templates into their repository. Now, it's just not Microsoft, it's people like you and me and other companies that are adding templates to this repository. Always make sure that the template that you use for your production or test environments is properly seen and tested, so there is no malicious code inside it. For example, if you look at this particular template, which says that it will create an Azure virtual machine with a new AD forest. Yeah, so it will make sure that the VM that it deploys is also a domain controller. What this template does will be then written inside the description part of this template. You can search for a specific template. So if you're looking for, let's say, a load balancer or a template that will create a load balancer for you, yeah, just go ahead and search for it, and it just shows up all the templates that have this term load balancer inside it, right? So you can also search for specific, let's say, web app. I want to just create a web app. There you go. So dynamic web test creation, call custom APIs from Azure Logic. So there are 90 templates that match my string here. On the left hand side, you can also filter them by a specific resource type, right? In the subsequent video, we will go ahead and use or pick and choose a template from this repository, drill down to the JSON part of it, look at how the variables are configured, how the parameters are written, and understand JSON. We will also go ahead and deploy it and see if it actually deploys something in the Microsoft Azure portal.